hitting the spot right now. Wow. You are so amazing. I love you. I love you. Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be me showing you guys how I make my perfect iced coffee. I know the majority of us love iced coffee. I've been drinking iced coffee for years now. All my best friends do. I have an iced coffee every single morning, I promise you. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my iced coffee. I know everyone is different. We all like our coffees different, right? Some people like it really dark, some people like it light, some like it in the middle. But I'm gonna show you the way that I make mine. I do measure my creamer, so I do recommend if you guys are trying to lose weight or maintain your weight or just trying to keep your calories low, especially with iced coffee, right? You don't want that to be high in calories. You don't want that. You want your food to be high in calories. So I recommend you getting a food scale. A food scale is available on Amazon for the low, okay? You can get it for really cheap. Do not go anywhere else because it's a little bit more expensive other places. But you can get a food scale for under $10 on Amazon. So I want to remind you again, this is just the way that I make my iced coffee. I'm not telling you guys that this is the best way, that this is the only way. This is just the way that I make it. So what I use is this Silk dairy-free almond creamer, and the flavor that I get it in is sweet and creamy. They do have vanilla. Do not let that fool you, girl, because I love vanilla. The vanilla in this is not good to me. It's okay, but okay, so today, for example, I ran out of creamer and I knew that I wanted to film this video, so I went to Stop and Shop and they didn't have this flavor. They only had vanilla. So I went to Target. I drove to Target and got this flavor. So that's how much I don't want vanilla. Like, I will drive somewhere else to get this flavor. So trust me, get sweet and creamy. It is so good. It's like sweet milk. And it's an almond creamer, dairy free. So this is great for people that don't want a lot of dairy in their diet. Like I always tell you guys, I do have very acne prone skin, so I'm trying not to have so much dairy because I've heard that dairy does cause you to break out. So I just try to minimize dairy. I can't give up mozzarella cheese though, pizza, but with my creamer I could choose a better option. And this is definitely optional. You don't have to use this. This is just what I do. I use the Whole Earth sweetener. It's 0-calorie sweetener with stevia. Who says what? I say stevia. I think it's better than Splenda, right? I used to use Splenda back in the day. I heard that Splenda's not good for you, whatever. What is good for you, right? So I use 2 of these packs to sweeten it, just because I like my iced coffee sweet, but I don't want to put a lot of creamer because then it'll be higher in calories, you know what I'm saying? And these are 0 calories. So I get the box from Amazon. Such a good price because they give you so much in the box. My mom's friend is the one who put me onto this and I really love it. I just like the fact that it's better for you than Splenda. The most important thing of the video is obviously the coffee. So I don't use, what is it called, the K-cups? You guys know what I'm talking about. I use instant coffee. I use the Nescafe Taster's Choice, and I use the French Rose, and I get the medium to dark. Let me tell you, I do not like a lot of instant coffees. I don't like Maxwell. I don't like, there's another one that I don't like. This is the only one that I like and I've used for years and I don't get tired of it. It's just the best for me. Especially if you are an instant coffee drinker, I would highly recommend this. It's fire. So obviously the last thing that you need is hot water and cold water. So I'll be right back. Okay, so you're gonna need a cup. I got this cup from Target. I just washed it. I don't know what's on it. It's like, I don't know what that is. It's just like my hand marks. But I got this cup from Target. I usually drink my iced coffee in something bigger, girl, because I need a bigger fix. But I got this because I wanted you guys to actually see what it looks like, and it's actually the middle of the day, so I don't need a big cup of coffee. I have my spoon. So what I do is I'll do 2 spoonfuls, so 2 tablespoons of the coffee. So this is how much coffee I'm using for it right now. The amount of coffee I use just depends on how much caffeine I need for the day. Right now, again, it is the middle of the day, so I don't need that much caffeine. I went to the gym, so I'm already good, but I just want this just to chill. I'm gonna drink this after I finish filming, and then I'll edit and I'll have my coffee and I'll drink it. You know what I'm saying? Like a nice iced coffee while I'm editing. So the next thing I'm gonna do is put the 2 packs of sugar. Girl, what are you saying right now? It's so funny because my best friend, she makes her iced coffee so different from me. All right, so now we have the coffee, we have the sugar. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna put hot water in this and make it blend all together. All right, guys, so I put my I put my hot water in the cup. So I'm mixing it up, making sure it's all blended. Honestly, I don't really care if there's some grains in there. Cause I have the hot water. We'll press the little button thing and it makes it hot. But I feel like I didn't put it on as close as I needed to for the video, because I put it on and then it stopped and then I had to film the video, so it kind of it's not as hot as it should be, but whatever. So we're good with this, and I'm gonna fill up the cup with cold water up to like here. So I have my cold water. I have a Brita, so that's what I use for the cold water. So this is the scale that I have. I apologize, it is a little bit dirty, I'm so sorry. But this is what I use to measure the creamer. So I'm going to put 60 milliliters of creamer, and I'll be right back. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I got a little bit too happy with my hands and I put a little bit more than 60. But you know what? It's still freaking good. Oh. Whew. Oh, girl, you know you gotta have the straw. Hello. So that is how I make my iced coffee, guys. This coffee is hitting the spot right now. Wow. You are so amazing. I love you. I love you. You hear that, guys? Somebody going down the stairs like a damn fool. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for subscribing, for supporting my channel. It really means a lot to me, honestly. I can't wait until we are, you know what? No, I appreciate every single subscriber. I obviously want to get to 1,000 because that's where you get monetized and stuff. But I am enjoying the growth. I am enjoying the process. I'm not rushing it. I'm, you know, going with the flow and letting God take care of the rest. That's it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.